Now we are going to learn about past tense. Okay, past tense means bhutkaal. In Hindi we call it as bhutkaal. Okay, here bhutkaal, past tense. Likewise, pulling that means masculine. Here striling that means feminine. Okay, we are having the tabular like present tense, present continuous as well as for past tense. Okay. Now going to the first person. Going to the first person. My dash the. There we end the sentence as whom, him. Okay. For the past tense we have to end the sentence as ta. Ta, te, ta, te. Here same ti, ti. The plural form only we are having team. See, I have put a bindu here. I have put a bindu here. The pronunciation is team. Okay. So, going to the sentence. My, here the verb is likta ta. Likta ta. My likta ta means I wrote. I wrote. Here same. Here same but likti. Okay, I have already told you that the feminine verbs end with ism. Likti. My liktata, mine likti ti. Likewise here for the second person tum. Here also likta. Likta or likte. Tum likte te. Okay, tum likte te. You wrote. You wrote. Here same. Likti. Tum likti ti. Here the combining the root verb you have to join this ti here. Here also ta. Here also ta. This is the ending. This is the ending verb. Here is the root verb. For the root verb we have to join ta. Simply not the verb. We have to join the ta. Likta. Likte. Here likta. For the singular likta. For the plural likte. For the plural likte. Here same. Likti. Likti. Okay. Vah likti ti. Here vah likta ta. Yah likta ta. Okay. Here vah likti ti. Yah likti ti. He wrote. Okay. The meaning is he wrote. Here she wrote. She wrote for the past tense. Then for the plural form we. Here likte te. Likte. Okay. Likte. We likte te. Okay. We likte te means they wrote. They wrote. Here आप. आप लिखते थे. हम लिखते थे. We wrote. Okay. We wrote. Here also लिखती. Likti. Okay. For likti team. Without the object we are writing the sentences as like this. My likta ta for masculine means I wrote. Here also my likti ti means I wrote. This is for feminine. Then for masculine tum likte te. You wrote. Okay, here also you wrote but the sentence is different. Tum likti ti. Okay, in English we are having the same but in Hindi we are differentiating as feminine and masculine. This is pulling and striling. That is tum likte te. Then tum likti ti. Here for the third person, vah likhta tha means he wrote. Okay, here vag likhti thi means she wrote. This is for the plural form. Ve likhte the, ye likhte the, aap likhte the, hum likhte the. These are all the plural forms. They wrote. Okay, they wrote, we wrote. Then this is for feminine. Ve likhti team, ye likhti teen, aap likhti team, hum likhti team. Okay, is it clear? Can you understand the difference between this one and present tense? Okay, this one and the present tense. We must remember the ending verbs. Ending verbs. There we are using whom, him. Here we are using ta, te, ti. Okay, understand? Now let us learn about past continuous. Past continuous means here in Hindi it is called as apurna bhutkal. Apurna bhutkal. Apurna bhutkal. Past continuous. Likewise we are having the tabular. It is called as formula. Here the first person mine dash raha tha. Here we can put lik. Okay, lik. I was writing now. Okay, I was writing. Here my lik raha tha. Here my, same also here, my lik rahi thi. My lik rahi thi. Okay, I was writing. I was writing. Here also I was writing. This is a past tense. You know, we don't put now. This is a past tense. I was writing. Here also for the feminine, same. I was writing. Then for the next one, second person. Second person is tum. In English, you. Here also lik. Lik. Okay. Here also lik. Okay. Here then tum lik rahe te. Tum lik rahe te. You were writing. Here also tum lik rahi thi. Here you were writing. For feminine and masculine, in English we are having the same, but in Hindi we are having the different types. Tum lik rahe te. Here tum lik rahi thi. Then for the third one is third person, vah yah. Here lik. Vah lik raha tha. Vah lik raha tha means he was writing. He was writing. Here also he was writing. Then here vah yah. Here also lik. She was writing. Here she was writing. Here vah means the person apart from, in a long distance. Yah means the person nearby us. Nearby us. Vah lik raha tha means he was writing. Here also yah lik raha tha, the same meaning. No difference in this. Here also vah lik rahi. We already know that the feminine ends with e sound. Vah lik rahi thi. Vah lik rahi thi. Here yah lik rahi thi. Okay. Then going to the next one, that is plural form. That is plural form. That is ve, ye, aap, hum. Here we are having, we have to write lik. Okay. Ve lik rahe te means they were writing. Here aap, this is the plural form, you know, you were writing. Then hum, Hum means we. We were writing. Here for the feminine, here also lick. Okay. वे लिख रही थी. ये लिख रही थी. आप लिख रही थी. हम लिख रही थी. We have to see the bindu here. That only we have call it as theme. Call it as theme. Okay. Here we can see the apurna bhutkal. Apurna bhutkal means past continuous. Past continuous. Likewise, in the continuous tense, we have to put after the verb. Here we can see raha rahe. Okay, same as here also rahi rahi, the same one. Okay, same one. Then no adding of ta here. No adding of ta here. In the simple present tense, we have to add ta. We have to add ta. This is the difference. Okay, this is the difference between past tense and past continuous. Okay, is it clear?